Logic ERP, Grocery, POS, Billing and Inventory Software for Retail Stores and Shops. Logic ERP, the most advanced grocery billing software for complete grocery store management. Packed with everything you need, all in one system. GST, fast billing, accounting, CRM and loyalty, schemes and discounts, flexible mobile reporting, advanced inventory management, weighing scale integration, billing, fast and easy billing, multiple payment modes, customizable invoice formats, real-time sales tracking, integrated with Paytm, PayU, MobiKwik, PineLab, JioMoney, seamless integration, point of sale, multiple views, touch mobile POS, expiry prompt, cashier shift system, weighing scale integration, flexible schemes and promotions, advanced and fully configurable POS system, conversion factors, buy in cases dozens and sell in pieces, Aap app for online ordering and home delivery app, inventory management, batch-wise, MRP-wise stock, import item masters from Excel, tight control of returned items, fully customizable barcode generation, bulk updates of rates through Excel, import purchase from external file, Excel, text, dead, slow-moving stock reporting and management, e-commerce integration, Unicommerce, Brown Tape, pre-configured templates with 16,000 plus SKUs already added, loyalty and coupon management, discount coupons and gift vouchers, instant feedback at POS, customizable configuration set, brand category-wise membership packages, OTP-based points and coupon redemption, integrated with third-party loyalty programs, inbuilt loyalty system for points accrual and redemption, customized feedback and surveys reports, manual discount entry approval through mobile app or OTP, reporting, mobile reporting app, power reports and dashboards, export to Excel, HTML, PDF, pre-configured reporting template, configurable reports and dashboards, email reports with auto-report mailer, accounting and financial management, journal entries, cash, bank vouchers, bills receivables, payables, balance sheet, P&L, ratio analysis, cost centers, e-file GST returns, generate eBay bills. Top grocery brands achieving remarkable business growth with Logic ERP implementation. Why choose Logic ERP software for your grocery business? 30 plus years of ERP excellence. 200 plus experienced ERP experts. Easy personalization and deployment. Personalized training and support. Fast and easy implementation. Digital-ready ERP with third-party plugins and API. Let's start your grocery growth story with Logic ERP. Number 1. ERP software for grocery retail store. Book a free ERP live demo, call us at +9 17341141176. Send your inquiries to sales@logicerp.com. Get Logic ERP software today.